Welcome to the Californication house. I'm Jason Summers, and I designed and developed this home along with my brilliant partners of Disco Volante. Because we're in the heart of Hollywood, the house is incredibly inspired by the 1970s James Bond Thunderball movie. And coming through here, you see the James Bond Jamaican inspiration. I can't wait to show you what's inside. Let's come on in. We like to call this design style future retro, including an 85-foot long pocket window system, which is the longest in LA. You have indoor-outdoor living almost the entire year. And then we take artifacts that come from all eras of human society. Coming into the dining room, you'll see we even found a 1970s Murano glass chandelier. One of our favorite colors and elements is green, so we have this jade green onyx. It really is the center stone of the house, and having these vintage artifacts, collectibles, natural elements really, I think, brings a soul and energy to the house that will hopefully feel timeless in this home. The kitchen is the heart of the home. And in this house, it's even set on a pedestal to look out into the view over the city. Of course, the LED lights really accentuate the beauty of the green onyx set off by this bleached white walnut. With our continuous floor plan, we have this circular couch with this crushed gold velvet, along with the Murano glass, and then you have the warmth of the fireplace, and of course, your open windows that take you to the outside of the home. Joining us in the Cocktail Trophy Lounge is my design partner, Ranger. Ranger is certainly one of the inspirations of this house. His aesthetic really speaks to the strength of some of the architecture we chose to go with here. So this room has eclectic items. This comes back to the James Bond of traveling around the world, and to really create the crescendo of all of it is our secret nightclub entry. Welcome into the magnificent Club Disco Volante. In this perfect entertaining space, we have our backlit Tiger Eye Onyx DJ booth that then follows in through to this beautiful custom angular bar. And then we come into our beautiful theater. It's just emerald green, crushed velvet everywhere, and is a comfortable place to lay down with a group and watch your favorite vintage film. Welcome into our magnificent primary suite with views overlooking the entire City of Angels. We have our custom burl wood rotating bed with silk sheets. The burnt orange suede walls really complement the fireplace with vintage sconces on each side. There's a beautiful sunken seating area surrounded by lush landscape. And here is our ability to really check out the traffic on your commute to work. Our incredibly inviting long infinity edge pool, it makes you want to just dive right in. The sunken fire pit that's surrounded by water. This becomes the ultimate conversation area, and sit with the eye line to the city view and the fire to keep you warm. That wraps up the tour. Thank you all so much for stopping by. There were so many intricate details to get through. Looking forward to seeing you at the next property.
Well, that was so much fun, but the fun doesn't have to end here. Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for the best open house has to offer.